Well, this is a big day. Halo on a PlayStation 5. I've been waiting for this for so long. We're going to unbox this. We're going to play this. This is really exciting. Halo was the reason I originally got an original Xbox back in the day. Loved Halo 2, Halo 3. I don't own a Xbox anymore. It's been a while. But the one thing I've been missing is Halo. That's the only thing I've been missing, not owning any Xbox system. So let's unbox this and enjoy and celebrate this momentous day. I am so excited. I just picked it up from Best Buy, and I have always gotten physical disc games. I love physical. That's what I always, for life, but unfortunately physical is going away. And oh man, this is gonna look so cool on the PlayStation. So yeah, let's open it up here. All right, there's the disc. No inside cover art, nothing else. But this is gonna look amazing on my OLED TV. Let's go. And let me read this real quick. The original Halo Combat Evolved campaign rebuilt with all new cinematics, refined controls, enhanced combat, and remastered music. 3 new missions. Join Master Chief and Sergeant Johnson in a brand new story arc featuring new environment, gameplay, and enemies. Enjoy the campaign solo or in online co-op with full crossplay and cross-progression support. Remix missions with optional skull. This is going to be awesome. How many gigs is this? This is 100 gigabyte minimum. I don't care for online. I don't play online multiplayer. I don't care about that. It's all about campaign for me on everything that I play and story games and all that. Master Chief looks so cool. Oh, yeah. It's grainy. The picture is grainy for some reason. And you could see, you see what's going on here? It's not my TV. I mean, everything else I watch on it is good, so. And it's like talking. It has the
cross button, continue button, list item
look
1.
at this. What is this?
Microsoft accountable to play Halo.
Oh, there we go. Turn off screen narration. Weird. Oh, we gotta sign in. Oh my goodness, what is this? All right, so let me see what's going on.
For next, previous tab L.
What the heck is going on?
Previous tab L1 button, accessibility tab, list tab 4 of 4 next tab.
You turned this off. I already turned it off.
Subtitles.
All right, let's go. This looks great.
Cortana, all I need to know is did we lose them?
I think we both know the answer to that.
We made a blind jump. How did they...
Get here first? The Covenant's ships have always been faster. As for tracking us all the way from Reach, at light speed, my maneuvering options were limited.
We were running dark, yes?
Until we decelerated, no one could have missed the hole we tore in slow space. They were waiting for us on the far side of the planet.
So, where do we stand?
Our fighters are mopping up the last of their recon picket now.
I hope they make Halo 2 and 3
But I've isolated the
remake
purge signatures for multiple CCS
and bring the Master
viruses.
Chief collection to the
Make it
Switch
3
too.
capital ships per group.
The original.
And in about 90 seconds, they'll be all over us.
Well,
I could see a lot of grain, like film
bring
grain,
the ship back up to Combat Alert Alpha. I want everyone
which
at the
I don't
station.
like.
Everyone, sir?
Ever. And Cortana. Let's give our old friends a warm welcome.
Oh
I've
yeah.
already begun.
Attention all combat personnel. Please report to your action stations.
Let's go! Take talk!
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
You heard the lady. Move like you got a purpose.
Let's go.
5th Platoon, secured airlocks on Deck 11. 14th Platoon, rendezvous with 22nd Tactical at Oled, Charlie 14.
Feels so great that Halo is back.
Once again, it is our job to finish what the Fly Boys started. When we meet the enemy, we will rip their skulls from their spines and toss them away laughing. Am I right, Marines? Sir, yes, sir. Damn right I am. Now move it out. Double time.
Attention all personnel. We are re-engaging the enemy. External and internal contact imminent.
All you greenhorns who wanted to see Covenant up close, this is gonna be your lucky day.
Report to defensive positions Alpha through Sierra. Sensors show inbound Covenant boarding craft. Stand by for help order.
Oh, nice.
Stay cool, Mendoza. What do you expect, Rifleman? You think this little pleasure cruise is gonna last forever? Dan, keep your eyes downrange. Fingers on the triggers. And we'll all go home in one piece.
Sure?
Oh yeah.
Cortana to Cryo 2. Transmitting security code. Bridge at.
There's a delay in the voice, it looks like.
Right. Let's thaw him out.
Huh.
Okay.
Interesting.
Bringing low-level systems online. His vitals look good. He's hot! Blowing the pins in 5! Sorry for the quick thaw, Master Chief. Things are a little hectic right now.
Welcome back, sir. We're at the battle-ready status.
Oh yeah. I have it on
Vital
performance
signs
mode.
look normal. No freezer burn.
So, whatever, 60 frames, smooth, buttery. But like I said, I can see like film grain. Let me zoom in so you can see. You see? We'll see if we can turn it off.
I gave you a double dose of the wake-up stim. Take a quick walk around the cryo bay and join me at the optical diagnostic station when you're ready. I know the ordnance techs usually take care of your targeting sensors, but we're short of time, Chief. Just look at each of the flashing panels to target them. When you lock on, it'll change color. Okay, that looks good.
Now, do you want to revert them? No. Invert them? No.
Okay, I'll leave the picture normal. But if you want, you can take it yourself later.
Let me see if I can.
Ready for the image?
Is there a setting for film grain? No. Interesting. All right.
Here's that, Cap.
Please follow me to the energy shield test station. Sir, I need you to look at me so we can begin.
Wow, look at the fog effects coming off the background. That's so cool. Okay, am I not on the yellow square? What's going on here? Wow. Oh, I can't move. Okay, there we go.
Thank you, sir. Okay, bring his energy shields online, please.
All right. Shield green is fully charged.
This brings
Okay,
back
sir.
so many
Bring him
memories.
down to test the automatic recharge.
Bridge to cryo troop. This is Captain Keyes. Send the Master Chief to the bridge immediately.
Captain, we'll have to skip the weapons diagnostics and
On the double, crewman.
Aye, aye, sir. The skipper seems jumpy. We better get moving. We'll find you weapons later.
Okay, I'll need the self-diagnostics later.
Good idea.
You better get to your evac group, Sam.
Affirmative. I just have to reset the computer and I'm out of here.
This looks like Star Wars.
They're trying to get
That look like Star Wars?
Security!
Oh shit.
Cryo two! Sam! Sam!
I missed it.
Come on, we've got to get the hell
Oh,
out of
yeah.
here.
Okay, get out of the way.
This way.
Where'd he go? Oh wow. Nice fire effects. Well, that guy's dead. Yeah, the music. Wow, this looks great. Wow, this game's gonna be amazing.
Behind us! They're right behind us! Kill those blast doors! Move! Move! Take that!
What the?
Beautiful. Do I just...
Keep it up!
I don't have a gun.
They're everywhere.
Wow, look at the lighting. This is awesome. I can already tell it's going to be amazing. So,
Good to see you, Master Chief.
yeah, so I can already give this game a 10 out of 10. Just judging from the graphics already. I know the gameplay is going to be amazing. I love the Halo series. Let me know what you think. Hopefully a lot of people are excited about this. This is a big deal on a PlayStation, no doubt. But having Halo again, easily accessible on another platform. Yeah, this is awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy this. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye.